Well, good morning. It's Glenn from Aegir Photography, and this morning doing a dawn shoot at Bear Island in the suburb of Perouse in Sydney. Yeah, so this morning it's a bit wild and woolly. There's some rain about, so I had sort of no ideas directly as to what to shoot this morning, and basically just wound up here. But it's a bit of a lazy shoot. It's a short walk to the location, and Bear Island's connected to the mainland by a large bridge. Obviously, you're looking directly south, and you know, classic composition, straight down the bridge to the island. So yeah, nothing fancy this morning. Very straightforward, very basic. The low cloud that's drifting over with a bit of rain. It's heading south, so really just after a couple of long exposures this morning to you know, straight down the bridge, and with the clouds going straight overhead. So yeah, very simple, very basic. Sometimes it's just about, you know, being a bit lazy and shooting something very straightforward. Don't have to think about it too much. So let's get cracking. Okay guys, well that's it this morning. Hope you've enjoyed just a couple of the images I produced this morning. Just long exposures, 30 seconds to about a minute and a half in length. Yeah, so some nice low cloud this morning, tiny little bit of light, and hey, it's just great to be out shooting as always. Can't go wrong with the sunrise. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this content, then please throw me a like, chuck a comment underneath, ask a question if you'd like to know how I shoot, and as always, I'll talk to you soon.